Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mando and I'm going to be teaching German greetings. So, let's get started. In German we have two kinds of greetings. The first kind of greetings is general greetings. And the second kind of greetings is the time-specific greetings. For the general greetings, we say hallo or hi, meaning hello. Also, we use the word na with a question mark. This means hi, how are you? For the word goodbye, we use tschüss or tschüssi. Also, we use words describing the see you soon or see you again. The informal way to say see you soon is bis and then bald. So until soon, meaning see you soon. We also say bis dann, meaning until then. Bis dann is when you have talked with a friend and then you like, okay, I'll see you then. A formal way to say see you again is the huge word auf Wiedersehen. Now let's go to the time-specific meetings. In the morning, when you have just woken up, you say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. When you're, for example, in work and then you see a person and it's still about 10 o'clock, then you say Guten Tag. So when it's getting darker, then people say Guten Abend, meaning good evening. Then when it's time for sleep, then you say Gute Nacht. A very good phrase for you to use when you're going to sleep is the two words Schlaf gut, meaning sleep well, or Schlaf schön, with the same meaning. Schön means beautiful, whereas gut means good. As a homework for next time, I want you to leave a comment below and write the meaning of see you again, the formal one, and see you soon. Those two things. I want you to write on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Tschüss!